So we're here at a section, this is a plant called Amsonia hubrichtii, or Threadleaf Amsonia. It's actually native to a little further south than here, but as climate changes, we're kind of redefining what native means, which I know is a little crazy for some people, but this is definitely a plant that's moving north as other things are moving north. And it's a great plant for pollinators. If you know who Craig Tufts with the National Wildlife Federation was, he kind of encouraged me to plant this plant because it's the host plant to an endangered species of butterfly, and I'm not remembering the name at the moment, so sorry. But it gets really beautiful fall, or it gets really beautiful spring blooms on it. Bluestar is one of the common names because it's a blue flower that looks just like a star. And so it'll do that in the springtime, and then you get this beautiful foliage through the summertime that again your pollinators are going to use as food, and then in the fall this puts on a stunning show of fall color. And so if you mix it with some native shrubs like Fothergilla or Virginia sweetspire, something that turns red, this turns a real straw colored, and so you get that red against the straw really nice. A lot of people like ornamental grasses for their fall color, but unfortunately a lot of the ornamental grasses that are used in the trade are not native and actually are invasive species. And so something like this, if you want some fall color along those lines, is a good replacement.
Okay, and then there's a few other plants you can talk about behind it.
Yeah, we've got down below, we've got some ironweed here. We've got Inkberry along the shore. We've got some Joe-Pye Weed. You know, these are all native to Virginia. And, you know, Inkberry, if you like history, would have been what Jefferson dipped his quill in to write the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence. And usually when people find that out, they're like, oh, give me lots of Inkberry, please. And so again, you know, kind of the not anything that ties to nature, but it's part of our own history that I think is an important story to tell. Joe-Pye Weed got its name from a snake oil salesman named Joe-Pye, and this was his cure to everything. And you know, he thought it was the greatest plant in the world, so that's where it's got its name. We have to be careful because there's a Michigan fan walking up on the set. Go Bucks.